What's up, my friend? It's Frank Calabro Jr. We're going to do a quick video here, and I want to explain something and show something. I don't think I've ever talked about this before. Here is where you can get some free money for traffic, or you can actually get some free affiliate money by just referring people to this platform. And you can take this money. You can see in this example, there's $440.37. And I could actually withdraw this money to my bank account or to PayPal, or I could spend this money and buy more traffic and send more traffic to my landing page, to my website, to generate leads, to make more sales. This is actually 100% free internet business. If someone comes to you and says, listen, I have no money, which they're probably lying through their teeth, but those people have a broken mindset. I have no money, but I want to start an internet biz. They can actually sign up for this for free. They could promote this thing, get a referral link. When people open up an account and make a purchase and buy traffic, they could actually get paid 15% commissions and never spend a dollar on anything ever. This is actually a 100% free internet biz if you want to look at it like that. But I look at it as a way to get some traffic to my websites, and I've made a fortune off this traffic. Let me click on the home page here. I've been using this for several years. I'm not even sure when I got started. You sign up for free. I'll put my referral link in the description below, and you'll get a referral link, okay? And let me show you something. Let me click on the money first. And like I just showed this, I got $440.37, okay? Currently, I've got some pending money. It looks like $975.81. So I guess they hold the money back for a little bit until it clears, and then they add it to your account. But there's always money being added to my balance. And what I do is I buy traffic, because that's where the money's really at. Building my database, building my email list, okay? But let me show you something. Let's click on affiliates up here. I want you to see this. They actually give you a landing page. You can just copy the link, or let's just open it. They actually give you a landing page, so you can actually start this for free, literally start this for free, and start referring people to this network, okay, using this traffic source in affiliate marketing, okay? They got a couple links in here, that kind of thing. But let's go ahead and look at referrals. Since I've been using this, look at this. I have referred, this is called referral marketing, 1,319 people to this platform. What that means is these people are hard-coded to me, okay? Anytime they make a purchase over here, I get paid 15% commission. That's how I'm getting free money, literally free money. I signed up for free. People come over here and they buy traffic, and I get a 15% commission. Any of these 1,319 people buy something, I'm going to get a commission. I'm going to get a cut. I'm going to get a percentage. How awesome is that? Let's click on earnings right here. I guess my earnings, I didn't even know this. I'm looking at this for the first time. I guess $34,397 for doing nothing except referring others to this platform. How powerful is that? Okay? That is awesome, guys. That is absolutely incredible, right? What else they got? They got some landing pages built in here. They got some banners, like if you want to embed these into your blog. Okay? Pretty cool. Yeah. I might actually grab one of these and put it on my blog. Some of these, I don't recognize they're new. Like this is, I like simple stuff like this. Buy solo ads. Real simple. I might even put that on my blog. I can resize that. I can resize the width and the height. That's cool. Yeah, I might actually put that one on my blog. Best buy solo ads. So look at these resources they give you. They give you this stuff. Yeah, I might actually embed one of these on my blog. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I like some of these. Okay. That's pretty awesome right there, right? So what else do we got here? What else do we got? Let's scroll back up. The tweets. They got like pre-written tweets. Buy quality solo ads, get clicks, opt-ins, even sales today. And if you click on this, It's going to connect to your Twitter account. You can actually post this, man. How awesome is that? I'll just tweet it right now. There you go. Yes, they actually have pre-written tweets. So there it goes. It's on my wall on Twitter. It's pre-written. It's pre-written, right? And it's posted. There it goes. Pretty awesome, right? So they got like some ad copy in here for you. They got tools. We're not going to go through everything. But what I am going to do is I'm going to actually place a solo ad. I'm going to show you how to use this service, okay? Let me grab a landing page. I want to advertise this landing page right here. So I'm going to copy this landing page that I got. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to click on, I think I'm going to click on home. No, I'm going to click on right here, add text. See where it says add text in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen? Let's click on that. What I want to do is I want to add a new link. This is a landing page that I want to advertise, okay? I'm going to put the URL in there, the domain name, and I'm going to name it something that I know what it is, just so I know what it is. This is Cash Now Funnel. What is this? What landing page is this? $funnel.biz. That's landing page 4. You can call it whatever you want, but just for my own purpose, my own records, I'm going to name it what it is, okay, what I call it, Cash Now Funnel landing page 4, and I'm going to save it. Now, what happens is this is automatically in the system, okay? And my ad text. And here you can actually add, if you want to write your own, ad copy, your own email ad copy, because that's what this is, solo ads. What a solo ad is, you're sending a one-time email to someone else's email list. But I let them do that for me, okay? I don't need to do all that kind of stuff. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click on home. I'm going to click on find sellers, or you can click on solo deals. And as you scroll down, there's all kinds of filters you can mess with in here. But let's just look at Thomas for an example, okay? He's got 2,588 thumbs up and 17, I guess, thumbs down. And then if you click on this right here, this little 79%, it says right here, percentage of ratings where buyers were reported. So 79% of people are saying they have got sales. They made sales using this particular traffic vendor, and his clicks are 59 cents a piece, okay? But you can review these, like this person right here, 1,422 thumbs up, 1 thumbs down. 55% of people are reporting that they got sales with this traffic source, okay? Here's William, okay? So on and so forth, okay? So you can scroll down. You can email these people. There's an internal messaging system in here. You can click on their profile, and you can talk to these people over here at this platform, okay? I'm just going to randomly place a solo ad. I'm going to pick somebody. Let's just pick on Sarah right here, okay? Let's just pick on her. Okay, she's got 1,136 thumbs up, 9 thumbs down. 57% of people are saying they got sales, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy a solo from Sarah, okay? And I'm going to use the landing page, this one right here, $funnel.biz. I'm going to find that in this drop-down menu because I already saved it in here. Here we go. $funnel.biz, okay? You can see all my landing pages I got in there, okay? Pretty simple, all right? And then what you do is you pick the day you want to place the advertisement. Like, what day do you want to start, right? And you can just pick what day you want to start. Let's just say we want to start the 26th, okay, which will be Wednesday, July 26th. We want to get 300 clicks, just in this example, okay? So then what I got to do, she's going to charge me $123, okay, for 300 clicks. And what she's going to do is she's going to send out an email to her list, and she's going to send 300 visitors to my website. How awesome is that, right? Now, watch this magical part right here. I'm going to use my balance. See, $123? Now, I can use my credit card, but I'm just going to use my balance. Yeah. So now it's going to cost me nothing. This is free, guys. This is how you get free traffic to your website. Referral marketing. This is powerful, my friends. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description below. You can sign up for this right now for free. Then I'm going to click Finish Order. and it's a done deal. There you go. I'll get a message from Sarah when she accepts. It says she usually accepts in an hour. Okay. I'll probably get a message from her and it'll be a done deal. She's going to send visitors to my website. Pretty awesome, guys, huh? Pretty incredible. All right. So the resources, Udimi solo ads. Here's my referral link. And what I'll do is, like I said, I'll put this in the description below. Put your name, email, password. You can even sign up for Google. Get your free account. Get your link. You can use this to buy traffic, or you can use this as an internet biz, referral marketing. Pass this on to people. And guess what? Marketers will buy traffic over here. You'll get a 15% commission, and you can choose what you want to do with that money. Send it to your PayPal account, send it to your bank account, or do what I just did. Buy traffic, send it to your landing page. How awesome is that, guys? Pretty incredible, guys. All right. Just wanted to share that resource with you. You guys have at it. The description will be in below the video. You guys grab that, sign up, get your free account. This thing is awesome, and make sure you pass on your referral link. All right, we'll talk again real soon. Frank Calabro Jr. signing off. Thank you.